We got some massive news for Alphabet stock investors as the results of the case against the company about becoming a monopoly, the antitrust lawsuits, worked in its favor. The stock price soared following the announcement of the results of the outcome. And in this video, I'm going to share with you those details and what it could mean for Alphabet stock investors. Of course, I'm happy about the stock price increase. I own Alphabet stock myself. I've owned it since 2020. I've also recommended Alphabet stock as one of the best stocks to buy this year. I made that recommendation starting January. And in fact, in 2024, I had rated Alphabet as the best stock to buy, and the stock performed really well in 2024 as my top stock to buy recommendation. All right, so Alphabet stock rose over 8% on Wednesday after a federal district court judge ruled late Tuesday that Google wouldn't be forced to sell its Chrome browser after ruling divestment a poor fit in a landmark antitrust case. The ruling from Judge Amit Mehta said the company will have to share data that helped it hold on to its search monopoly, but saw Google avoid the harshest potential remedies. Of course, Alphabet boasts one of the largest market shares in the categories it operates, especially in the Google search business. The company saying, or the judge saying as part of the decision, that Google can continue to make payments to distribution partners for preloading or placement of Google Search, Chrome, or generative AI products. This allows Google to continue to make its $20 billion per year payments to Apple in exchange for the iPhone maker using Google Search as the default search engine in the Safari browser and Siri. Apple stock rose almost 3% Wednesday on the back of this news. And this is again another point of evidence where I've been talking about how Google's $20 billion payments to Apple, is it really good for Google? Are they getting a good return on that investment? I don't know. That's a bigger question mark for me. And this is more evidence of that. Alphabet stock price rising by 3% because of this news is another point of evidence that shows maybe that relationship is better for Apple than it is for Google. Apple getting a whopping $20 billion in high margin. So now that the share price increased, Alphabet stock is trading closer to the intrinsic value per share I had calculated for the business. Alphabet's current market price is $228. The intrinsic value per share I calculated is $231. Click the link below to watch the full video.